Welcome to Raging Bell Laning, and in this video we are going to run through the removal and replacement of the Mitsubishi L200 B40 early model fog light. I've seen loads of requests on the owner group forums and Facebook pages asking how to do this, so I thought I'd put together a short video to make life a little easier. If you look at the fog light surround, you can see the little clip there at the bottom. Now if you use a screwdriver, you can push the clip outwards. It releases the surround from the vehicle body. Here you can see the T-shaped hole for the clip to fit into. And now you can see the light fitting and the screws holding that in place. Once the screws are removed, you can pull the light fitting out and then you have access to the cable at the rear. If you're just replacing the bulb, twist that little green bit 90 degrees and you'll have access to the bulb. And then once you've replaced that, you can put it back in and then twist it 90 degrees back. I was replacing the entire light fitting, so you can see a little connector under the green bit which you just disconnect, and then the new light fitting should connect straight onto there and then screw back in place, as you can see here. When replacing the surrounds, you've got a sticky out bit of the surround goes into the hole at the top first of all, and then you push the bottom bit over the clip. Before this point you might want to have tested the lights to make sure everything was working, or else you're going to have to take it all back apart again.